While India is in the firm clutches of coronavirus, 467 cases have been confirmed positive and 9 deaths have been reported till now. Yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu Edappadi K. Palaniswamy have announced Section 144 curfew all throughout Tamil Nadu on basis of certain conditions. Taking into account massive population of India, which stands roughly at 133 crores, considering that only 500 cases of positive have been reported, in that only 9 have died. This has sparked a reaction in public about government is being too sensitive and too cautious in dealing with this endemic, for which state and central government have quickly reacted, citing the example of Italy. Italy have now lately come out with a reaction which seems to be their way of perception of looking into deaths followed after coronavirus attack. Let us see what are they in detail. This is Pizza Dosai TV's info section. Italy's National Health Authorities Department have reported 99% of people who have died after corona attack already had many health complications. Before going further into this, let us see how many have died in Italy. Till Monday, that is yesterday, 6,077 deaths have been reported, and it includes 602 alone on Monday, and total infected cases stands at 63,928. Since Saturday, the death toll, which stood at all-time high of 793, notably it has dropped down for the past 2 days, when the death toll reached 2,500 on the previous week. Italy's health department conducted serious investigation and research with the help of senior scientists, and they came out with very important details, which helped them a lot in dealing with present situation. Initial reports suggested the mortality rate stood at 8%, which stands 4 times higher than other countries. When this data emerged, other interesting data also came out, which says 48% of people who died had 3 major complications prior to the virus attack, and 50% who have died had 1 or 2 complications, major complications prior to the virus attack. Only around 2% of people who have died had died only because of coronavirus. Let us see those complications. 75% of them had high blood pressure, and 35% of them had diabetes and heart related complications. These data encourage the scientists to look further into the matter, so they checked the age groups of people who have died, and it stood average around 79.5. It means people who have died are around 80 years. It came as a shocking surprise for the scientists, so they further looked into the age groups around 40 and 50 who died after coronavirus attack. When they checked their case studies, they too had severe and major health complications prior to the virus attack. So the scientists who were involved in this research have sent a report to the government of Italy, which was read out by the authorities earlier in this week. So the medics and staffs who are fighting the battle against this deadly disease now took a deep breath and a sense of assurance that they are not fighting a losing battle in Italy. A data shows Italy is at the second place regarding medical facilities, is too far ahead than India, which stands at 130th position. So India was virtually shaken after the disaster in Italy. These data not only came as a breather for India, but for everybody around the world. But this should not be taken as an excuse for self-quarantine for 2 major reasons. Reason 1, youths and younger groups have also died of this virus attack. So it would be as stupid as dying from aeroplane without your suits on your back. Second reason is younger may become a carrier and may end up infecting older people at homes, and their recovery rate is clearly understood from the Italy's report. So we conclude social distancing is the need of the hour. Pack your bag with supplies, stay at home, and buckle up yourself till the next directions comes out from the government side. So let us all put up our hands together to fight against this deadliest disease. Let us stop the menace of coronavirus. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Have a great day at home.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.